Hey guys, I'm here and I thought of something fun to do where we're going to do a little mini challenge. For those of you who liked my how to grow your long hair, especially damaged hair video, which came out recently, got especially a challenge for you. So for the month of February, it's only 28 days, but this is the starting point of a series of videos that I'm going to do. But you gotta start somewhere. What we're going to try to do is to not heat style our hair. I mean, I would like it if we could do this for the whole of 2021, but I know that's not always possible. It'll depend on your hair type, the type of stuff that you do, but try your best to not do it for the whole year. But at first, we're going to start off with the first 28 days for February. I'm also going to recommend doing a deep conditioning treatment. It doesn't have to be this in particular, but a deep conditioning treatment once a week. Either do that or oil, coconut or olive. I prefer olive than coconut. In my, personal thing, I think olive oil works really good. Coconut oil I feel like works better if you've got more of a bleached hair. Just that protein will also help. But either try not to really get it on your scalp. Actually focus on the hair. Not so much putting it on your scalp, but doing an oil treatment, deep conditioner treatment once a week. So one or the other, or both if you want to, but every time you wash your hair, try to do a deep moisturizing treatment. Even if you leave it in for just a few minutes while in the shower, while you're shaving and doing all that other stuff, try to do a deep moisturizing treatment. I got lots of videos on my channel of different leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, ones with protein, ones without protein, curly girl method approved. I got tons of different videos for all different types of things. Please check that out if you want to, but definitely let's start this. Why not? I'm seeing a lot more people wanting to have long hair than a few years ago. I feel like a lot of people right now are trying to grow out their hair, and you gotta start off somewhere. I would say I'd recommend chopping probably a bunch off, but I'm not going to say that. Let's just focus for now on, because I can't see your hair, focus on, getting it healthy. I mean, obviously if it's really bad, you might need a trim. I trim mine quite often, especially because I am growing out damaged hair where I keep on having to trim mine. I don't like it to be too blunt, but I don't like it to do that really thin, I don't know, where it kind of goes all into one V. I don't like it like that either, but I don't like it to be all way too blunt either. And I also do have some layers, so I like it to be somewhat it's like this, but you can see hold it straight here. But I gotta get these. My hair's not styled or anything, but that all needs to go. If that helps, I don't know if that's helpful, but that stuff all needs to go. And I can see it, which I will trim it and get rid of it. I'm not saying I recommend you to do that, but that is what I'm going to do. It just kind of helps. So then you're not having a bunch of split ends. They're traveling up and it makes the hair look healthier. But that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to also be joining you guys into this. I don't wash my hair too often, especially because it's semi-permanent. It will just literally go right down the drain. But I'm going to be using the Mix Tricks. I may even sleep with it, wash it out the next day kind of thing. And when I'm doing the challenge, I'm going to be doing the olive oil hair challenge. But I did want to let you guys know ahead of time I am going to be trimming a decent little chunk off to get rid of those. And so then if you guys see it, you'll kind of know why. But that's what I'm going to do. But I hope you guys want to join me into it. I think it'll be fun. It's somewhere to start, and then we can keep on adding stuff to it and going from there and trying different things and making it more, longer and trying more things out. And I think it'll be a lot of fun and unhealthy or damaging, and it's more fun and just kind of chill and, giving your hair some love. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Kind of babbled, but you guys know I could talk forever about hair. But thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you guys are thinking, and let me know what you guys would want to do for our next challenge. Alright, thanks so much guys. Bye.